What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys had a fantastic week in the markets last week. It is a brand new week, and you guys know what that means. Weekly market outlook. I'm going to be breaking these four pairs down that I trade for you guys and showing you what I'm anticipating for this upcoming week. Now, if you guys don't know what a weekly market outlook is, it's basically me and it's a general term that traders use to prepare for the week ahead. So we reanalyze the pairs that we trade and we form a bias, form a logic on what is going to happen. Like this week, at the beginning of the week, everything was selling hard. Like GU was selling hard, AU was selling hard. And then throughout the middle of the week, I think it was on Thursday, you can see it reversed and bought up. And then on Friday again, it sold. So that means that new structure has been created. So we have to reanalyze the pairs to make up for the new structure that has been created. That's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to erase all these drawings, and I'm going to mark up the charts for you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm anticipating for the week ahead. And now, if you guys don't know, I'm currently taking a challenge. I'm in phase 2 right now. I'm down 5%. So I have to make sure that I am on top of everything. I'm on top of my markups. I'm being patient and taking the best setups possible. So again, we're going to reanalyze, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm expecting throughout the week. You can see that GU tapped into this level right over here. A very clean level. GU tapped into it. So we can potentially expect a bearish pressure to continue on GU. Now, if we go down lower time frame, we can see level right over here as well. So right now, GU is just chilling at a support level. So it broke above, chill out at a support level. What I'm looking for on GU is a break below, a retest to potentially continue down. So something like this. Something like that. I'm still looking for sells on GU. Sells are clean. If we go to 8 hours, very clean as well. If you guys haven't used that. And also, you guys should get into the habit of doing this as well. Especially if you want to become profitable traders, if you want to do this for the long run. Get into the habit of doing this weekly market outlook as well. Because it's very important. Very important. I might have been blocking you guys when I was marking this up. It's very important to get into the habit of doing these things. Because as traders, we want to be prepared when we go into a brand new week. We don't want to just go into a brand new week expecting the same thing to happen. Because again, new structure has been created. So we have to make sure we are on top of the new structure that has been created. So yeah, on GU, we're currently in this range right over here. So we're in this range. What I want to look for is a break below. And then I'll start looking for my setup on the retest. So that's GU. Simple. Very simple. GCAD. Go ahead and delete these drawings. I had an alert here on Friday. I was expecting GCAD to retest, but it did not. Too bad. So sad. Nice level. Nice level here. Went to the 8-hour GCAD actually broke above. Use this right here. So what I'm expecting on GCAD is something along the lines of either to come back down here, continue up, or come back down here, continue up. That's what I'll be looking for on GCAD to continue up to this level right here. If we go to daily, we could potentially get to this level maybe throughout the week. We'll see. Because GCAD can be pretty volatile at times. I also have to check if there's news. To look for news. I'll do that after. So GCAD, I'm looking for buys on GCAD. That may change, but for now I'm looking for buys. NASDAQ. Good old NASDAQ. Again, as I said, you guys should get into the habit of, for one, reviewing your trades throughout the week. All right, that's very important because if you just take those trades, you don't review them, you don't know what you could have done better, you don't know what you could improve, and you just continue to make the same mistakes. So this is very clean on the Nasdaq. We had a break above, and we're retesting this level over here. So very clean. Looking for buys on the Nasdaq to continue up. Simple, very simple structure. Now, if we don't get our setup here, we'll look for something like this, retest of this level to continue up. So ultimately for Nasdaq, I'm looking for is either, actually, let me check to see if my setup's there. So we're currently in our zone. So this might be a very clean setup for Monday on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we're currently in the zone. So I'll be looking for a setup here, or if we don't get the setup here, look for break above, retest over here to continue to the upside. So those are the two outlooks that I have on Nasdaq. So we're currently in the zone, or if we break above the zone, then I'll look for my setup in gold. You guys trade gold. You saw this past week, gold just tanked like crazy. What was this? This week was the week of the 24th. So from the 24th of September 24th, that's right there. So over here, gold tanked almost 900 pips. That is insane. That is crazy. Almost 900 pips. It did not give much clean retests at all. This is the only clean retest that gold gave, and it already dropped like 500 pips. So let's see where gold is right now. Go ahead and delete these. Now with the weekly markups, you don't want to delete your main levels. Like these levels, like this is my monthly level. These small lines are my weekly levels. You don't want to delete the main levels. You want to delete these smaller levels in between. All right, we keep the main levels and we delete the smaller ones in between. So retest of this if it wants to. All right, so there's nothing clean on gold as of now. I mean, we've dropped into this monthly support level, and we're starting a brand new month this week, so be prepared for that. We have NFP, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news. Forex Factory. So this news, September 30th. I think it starts October 1st. So Monday, Powell speaking, 11 o'clock. I don't trade AU pairs. We got Chef. All right. Tuesday's pretty clean. This is nothing. You'll see a slight push in the market, slight volatile movement in the market for a second or two. But Tuesday's nothing. Wednesday, oh, that's good. And the great thing about this is that NFP works best with my setup, so that's even better. NFP works best with my setup. Wednesday, what is this? October 5th? Thursday. It says it right here. Thursday. Clean. Unemployment claims, nothing too crazy. You're going to see some volatile movement in the market, nothing too crazy. And NFP Friday. So this week's pretty good week in terms of news. All right. Only Thursday and Friday are the two main news days. So this is Canadian dollar news as well, but US dollar, we have NFP. So again, as I told you guys, NFP works best with my strategy. That's not to say that I'm guaranteed to win on NFP. No, absolutely not. But let's say it works better with my strategy than CPI or FOMC. Those I just don't trade at all. NFP, I don't mind trading. So those are the news. Let me go ahead and finish looking at gold. So actually, this is a nice level on gold. This is pretty clean. So we had a huge push. Price came back, retesting. Now, that doesn't mean you should start looking for your setup here, because look how long it took gold from this impulsive break above to come back and retest. So if we measure from here all the way to here, That took 204 days. So we don't want to just drop down to the 15 minute to the 2 hour and start looking for a setup. No, absolutely not. What we want to see is structure start to shift. If we want to look for buys, we want to see structure start to shift because there's no structure right now. Absolutely no structure right now. All right, there's nothing. You could probably look at this as structure, but no, I need something better than that. So what you want to see is price start to hesitate to break below, and you want to see structure start to be broken. Structure start to be respected, broken to the upside, and yeah, something like that. You don't want to just look for your setup here on a 5 minute after 100 and 204 days coming back to retest. No, absolutely not. So again, potential buys on gold. If I'm looking for buys, I would need this to happen. I would need structure, a structural shift. I would need more structure to form. Now, if I'm looking for sells, I usually always have two. I usually have two biases. Usually, always. I usually have two biases. For sells right now, I'm just looking for structure to form. Same with sells. Yeah, gold is just non-tradable right now for me. Um, I'm waiting for gold. I'm anticipating gold. I'm gonna most likely buy it up to this point. All right, I'm not just gonna wait for it to come back up here and then sell it. If it gives me clean confirmation, I'm gonna buy it up to that point. So, yeah, that's it for now. You guys saw gold non-tradable right now. I need more structure, so I can't really do anything about that. On the Nasdaq, I'm looking for buys. That looks pretty clean, very clean. On GCAD, GBP Canadian dollar, I'm looking for buys as well. And on GU, I am looking for sales still. Well, in order to get into sales, I would need this to happen. I would need a break below, retest to continue down. So that's currently my market outlook. I will see you guys throughout the week. Hope you guys have done yours. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that. And good luck in the week, guys. Make sure you guys watch out for news. Pretty good news this week. So not much to really watch out for. But for the most part, make sure you are managing your risk. If you guys saw my previous video, you saw that the reason that I am down 5% on my phase 2 account is because I over leveraged, I over risked. All right, so make sure you guys learn from my mistakes. Don't do the same thing I do when it comes to over risking, over leveraging. Make sure you guys are sticking to your trading plan. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.